Hi families, welcome back once again. Families, another job opportunity here that I want to share with all of us. So if you are interested, kindly go for it. And this offer is not in Gulf countries here, no, all the way from Romania. So if you are interested to go and live and work in Romania, then this offer is for you. Romanian work permit contract visa. Shenghen, and we all know Romania is in Shenghen zone. Yes, so if you are interested, kindly grab it. Now recruiting female factory workers for Romania. Yes, this one goes for we the females. So if you are a man, you cannot, but if you want to support your wife or your woman, yeah, then they are now recruiting female factory workers for Romania. Salary is 3,500 LEU. 3,500 LEU. Food allowance is 600 LEU. 600 LEU. So those of you who are already in Romania, you know how to pronounce their money name. Company provide free accommodation. Yes, company will provide free accommodation. And Romanian service charge is 2,500 euro. 2,500 euro. I think this is very cheap. Not that I think, it is very cheap, seriously. So this is the payment plan. This is how the payment is going to be. So let us all be clear here. Let us listen carefully here. Payment plan: applicants will pay 500 euro before processing commencement. After obtaining the work permit, 1,000 euro must be paid. After the visa is out, the remaining 1,000 euro must be paid before their departure. So if you subscribe to this Romanian offer, after everything, once your visa is out, you will pay the remaining 1,000 euro before you travel. Please note that it is a work permit contract visa with a work permit contract of 1 to 2 years, which is renewable. Are we all together? Processing duration is 4 months. Processing duration is 4 months. And sometimes some of us do complain that it is too far, or 4 months is too much. Yes, this one is not Gulf countries own, and sometimes this Gulf country, I have been seeing comments that some of them, they have started their process 3 to 4 months and their visa is not yet out. Okay, so that is it. And here are the documents needed: passport copy, passport picture with white background, your CV, your police report, ID of resident country, work video, and then introduction video. So if you know you are a lady on this channel and you are planning to go and live and work in Romania in Schengen zone, then you are needed as a factory worker. You are needed in Romania. So kindly refer, don't hesitate to share this good news to your friends, or you can share to your WhatsApp status or even Facebook or any social media platform that you are having. Kindly help us, all right? It may help 1 or 2 people looking for a genuine agent to work with. And this offer is from Sis Christy. I nearly forgot. This offer is from Micris Recruitment Agency. So I always say, with Micris Recruitment Agency, you are in a safe hands. Without talking much, let me put the number on the screen before I forget. All right, that is Sis Christine number you are seeing on the screen. So if you are interested, kindly take the number and chat her and then start your process with. Please, if you know that you are not financially capable, if you know you are not financially stable, please take your time, gather everything before approaching her. Okay? And if you know that you are not interested, don't bother yourself by chatting, or please let us make the job easy for them, because it's not easy like that, seriously. So if I've watched to this point, I really appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. As I said it earlier on, don't hesitate to share our channel to your friends or your WhatsApp status. It may help 1 or 2 people. If any jobs opportunity comes my way, either from Sis Christy or Joseph, I will share. And sometimes some of you do ask me of truck drivers and security offer. Seriously, security offer. I don't know why it doesn't comes like that, and I don't know why. So if any comes, trust me, I will share with all of us here. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.